solar package. This is a 300 watts solar package, a portable solar package. It comes with a standing fan and 180 watts and two 80 watts panels, solar panels. Can power this television you are seeing right here. It has 6 light bulbs and so on. Can charge your phones and carry laptops as much as 3. That's how the system is. You can see it here. This is the system. This is a display screen. This is where you power it. You take the power here and distribute. You can as well plug your extension here. That's the system. That's how it looks like. This is a 16 inches DC fan. The system can run as long as there is daylight at night, to take you on cross over the night till the next morning, where you start charging again from the sun. Yeah, that's all.